guys, welcome to another video with Mickey's Tea. My name is Mickey. I just wanted to quickly come in and show you guys how I achieved this little quick hairstyle. If you want to know how to do it, just come on and tune in. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so that you'll be updated as soon as I post a video. Thank you guys. Enjoy. Alrighty guys, so this is my hair washed and blow dry. So washed and blow dry. I think I just took it out of the style and I'm just going to put it back in again. Okay, so the first thing I do is I separate my hair on one side. You can separate it on either side. It doesn't technically have to be straight. You can use gel or any other product so that you can go ahead and make this style a little bit more smoother, but I do it this way because I do this style in my hair every day. I just sleep with my hair just like that, and I don't want no products, so I don't have any problem in the middle of the week. So as you can see, I separated on one side and I just take it down the middle. So once I separate on one side, once I get to the middle, I just take it down straight down the middle. So it doesn't have to be perfect. Like this is what I love about this style so much, because it doesn't have to be perfect. Your parting doesn't have to be perfect. You just try to make it work. Okay, so once I finish with that, I just comb it out, make sure my hair, like, there's no tingling or anything like that, because once you were twisting it, like, you don't want no tingling. So the first thing I do is I put my finger just so that it can go ahead and get like a fresh start. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch the video, because I don't really know how to explain this, but maybe you can watch it many times and then you'll get it. So first thing I want to point out is that when I am twisting my hair down, I do not look at the camera. I do not look at no mirror. I do not look at no camera. Not because, oh, I have it down to perfection, but just because when you're looking at the mirror and you're looking at the camera or something that's reflecting yourself, it is reflecting you on the opposite direction, and it can confuse you when you are twisting it down. So go ahead and just try to twist your hair normal all the way down. One other tip that I would like to put out is when you are twisting your hair, it doesn't have to be tight. I am not twisting my hair tight. I am twisting it loose, but I am holding the hair tight so that I do not lose control of the hair. So the looser you twist it, the more fluffy it looks per se. So the next thing that you're going to need is some bobby pins. You can pin as much as you want to. You don't want to put too much pin, but also you do need a pin to secure the twist in the back. I usually use two, but there was one right behind me, so I used that one and it was fine. So I just twist the twist together so that the one bobby pin will hold them both. I said in the beginning that I do not do my edges. I do not add any product to my hair except for like hair grease from the wash, but no other product to my hair because I do this style every day. I just refresh the style and I do it every day, so I don't want no product in my hair that I will have to clean out later or be like stuck in the middle of the week to wash my hair. So one side of my twist is not perfect as the other side. I left it like that to show you guys that it doesn't have to be perfect. I get so much compliment of this hairstyle. Thank you so much guys for watching. This is just my go-to hairstyle. I love it. It's quick, it's easy. If you do want to, you can add gel, you can do your edges, you can do all of that, but this is what I run to every day. So I don't do anything, I don't put anything in my hair so I don't have to wash it later and clean it later and deal with the hustle. So basically just wash your hair, blow dry it, and then you can achieve this hairstyle. Thank you guys for tuning in again. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Make sure you turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified once I post a video. Thank you guys so much. Bye.